Today we're gonna make brown rice. This is one of my kids' favorite, my oldest. This is his favorite rice, so I'm gonna teach you and him how to make it. Okay, first I'm gonna show you the ingredients. We have 3 cups of rice. We have sofrito, which I promised I was gonna show you how to make it. I'm gonna show you soon how to make it. And we have 3 chicken bouillon. We have 1 can of small red beans. I like this, the small ones are better, more color. I like half of the can of tomato sauce, some olives, and oil. That's all we need. Because in the sofrito, everything is mixed in there, so we don't need to put a lot of stuff. So, I like to cook in this pot. I don't care if it's all, because the rice come out very, very good in those kind of pots. So we're gonna proceed and pour all the ingredients. Some sofrito, some chicken bouillon. I already started with 2, but I wanted to show you how to make it, so I start the process. So you pour. This is very easy to make. Just pour a little water so you can take the bottom stuff that's stuck in there. You put some olives. If you don't like olives, don't put it. I think it's good to have some olives. So we mix everything. Eso es un arroz brown, como le dicen mis hijos, arroz, un moro, como le decimos nosotros. Le pusimos salsa de tomate, una latita de habichuelas pequeñas rojas, me gustan. Le pusimos unas aceitunas, le pusimos 3 calditos. Vamos a ponerle 3 copas de arroz, un poco de agua. Estamos esperando un poquito que hierva. Ponemos un poco de agua. Okay. While it's boiling, we can wash the rice a couple of times. Some people don't wash the rice, but I like to do that. Wash it thoroughly, like whenever you think it's the right time. I do it like 3 times. I change the water 3 times. Make sure everything is already dissolved, like you don't see anything there. Asegúrese que todo está disuelto. Le agregamos el arroz. We pour the rice in the mix. It's very, very easy to make. In no time. Like that's why I want to show you how to make the sofrito, because that's a time saver. Like you have the sofrito, you have everything blending there, so you don't have to be chopping everything like all the time. So it saves you a lot of time. So I already know my measurements. Yo sé mis medidas, so yo sé más o menos si tiene mucha agua. If you have a lot of water, I already know. So I think you pour a cup of water for each cup of rice. That's how I measure it. So let's wait until it boils a little. Okay, you see how it's boiling? You have to like constantly move it, like so you don't get stuck in the bottom. Tiene que moverlo para que no se pegue. Okay, make sure it's nice and loose from every angle. Now it's dry, everything and all the water is dry. I do my little mountain. I love to do this. Like this is a tradition. My mom does it. So my grandma used to do it like that too, and I follow. I think it's fun. I think it's a little mountain. See, here's my little mountain. So I take aluminum foil. I put the heat a little down. Not too high because then it's gonna burn. So you put it like low heat. You put the aluminum and you put the top for like about 30 minutes or 25 minutes, and then I'll show you what's the next thing. I'm gonna show you now the final product. See how it looks. Mira cómo se ve. It's very nice and cooked. Sometimes I put oil after when I do this, but it already has oil, so I don't try to make greasy food. So it looks nice and soft. I didn't need to put more water. Nice and open. If you want it more cooked, you leave it a little more longer. I left it for 25 minutes. I think that should be enough. And well, I put the top. I'm just gonna show you. Te voy a enseñar. Lo dejamos por 25 minutos. Se ve así bien bonito. Bien desgranadito. Si lo quiere dejar un poquito más tiempo, lo deja. Este es mi resultado. This is my final result. Buen apetito. Este es mi resultado final. Que lo disfruten.